Welcome to Foglight Video Solutions. This video will detail how to identify the most active database user in SQL PI. This video will cover how to identify the most active database user in SQL Performance Investigator, SQL PI. In SQL PI, the performance tree provides iterative, up to 3 levels, access to any of the key dimensions associated with database activity, based on the OLAP multidimensional model and an instance view of the instance activity. Domain nodes offer a hierarchical view of the types of activity characteristics. Selecting a dimension from the tree determines what subset of the activity is displayed. Iterative drill down into domains of interest provides increasingly refined focus and diagnosis. To begin, log into the Foglight console. Navigate to the Global View Databases dashboard if you're not already there. Select a database with the SQL PI extension configured. In this example, we will use a SQL Server agent. To begin an investigation to identify the most active database user, select the database users node. Display the most active users in the selected time range, that is, the database users who consume the highest amount of the selected resource. Select the first user to focus the entire window on that user's activity. Identify the most demanding SQL statement that this SQL user has executed by expanding the user's node and selecting the SQL statement dimension node. This displays the most active SQL statements executed by this user. Select a specific SQL statement to focus the entire window on the selected statement's activities. Select client machines under the selected SQL statement to view the computers on which the statement was run. In a similar manner, such iterative drill downs can be carried out on any dimensions of interest to gain a complete understanding of the causes of the behavior. For a SQL Server, some of the dimensions of interest include SQL statements with the executed SQL commands, T-SQL batches, which is the set of transact SQL commands that are sent to be executed together, usually corresponding to a single business transaction. T-SQL batches can end with a go command and execute database components such as stored procedures, functions, and triggers. Databases, which is the database context in which the session carried out its operations. Programs, which is the name of the program that connects the SQL Server and executes the SQL statements, as specified in the program column of the SQL Server session information. Database users, which are the SQL Server login names used to log into SQL Server. Client machines, which the machines that run the client executable to which SQL Server is running. Context information, which is the optional trace information that a session can create using the set context info command. Command types, which is the executed SQL command types such as inserts and select. Sessions that present the top sessions which consumed the highest active time during selected time range. And locked objects, which display the objects that experience locks and the duration of the lock and the type of the lock. To learn more about Foglight for databases, visit us at support.quest.com. For quick support questions, follow us at Quest Experts on Twitter.